Haba pensyai halor ke Jingkiew ki kampentria makan Nongbah Shillong bat kithan bamarjan. Superintendent ki Pulit ke East Khasi Hills uba Vivek sia mulia tu bagi bor Pulit kila penbiang ya ke rukom Pahara ka bubun rukom. Baga jinge trelang ban khanglar ki kam Sniew boper. Naduk ki kam bajak ki beliau haduk ki jingja syatu syalute. Halor ki jingja ke bedai baga jingja arngai ki beliau ulah pentep ba katnat Pulit ke juyok ki jing ujor man ketayo. Kabaja ni kita boper kum ke jing hayeng asem ki kami et samla bat ki beliau ke balik wat kam syabar ke jela. Da ke bakadau ru barang syen kawai ke kenhun Pulit bekerpang kalalit pelat kawai ke kena kabaja syagur daspur. Uba Vivek sia mula kedau bakat Nongbah kadang hek ki kam pentriem ru ki Jingkiew kam tam ki kam tu lagi yeng beliau baga jing tu ki kali ne ki arsyaka ke bala jurba hendrai leng baga jing tristam baga jing petngor ki Pulit ki lala bani okem ya ki babun ki badan keti ke belang ru ke jing job namar ke jing don ki CCTV kamera jong ke smart city ki CCTV halagi jong ki kentoj ke jing trailang bat ki village defense party bat ki kenhun imlang salang. Bantai lakam ya ke jing tu kali ki Pulit district ki lapan yar ya ke jing khandra kali na ke Nongbah syagithan ki mamarkap sor bat chanong kendong. Uba Vivek sia ulapan pauru baga jing jor ke jing syatu ki arsyaka ke namar ke jing penyang harut surok dalam da pendat ki chain ne GPS tracking system. Kebelang kawai ni ki kam ke bakiata ma ki Pulit mentah. Bani ko ni ki Pulit ki lapan biang ya ke kenhun bekerpang ban khandra ke jaka ki bakhamja bat ke jingbo ya ki kenhun patrolling night hunter ban Pahara baro arp sau kenta kamtama ka pormen mir. Shosho ki Pulit ki East Khasi Hills ki lapan biang ya ke kenhun bekerpang bakentop ya ke anti human trafficking unit bat ka special cell ke anti narcotics task force bani kon persya yu drugs ka kenhun bekerpang ban kem ya ki batu kali bat ka special operations team kabadan ban Pahara persya ki wei pat ki kam Sniew. Uba Vivek sia ulapan kuat da kabakadau babarok kini ki kenhun ke trailang renti ban penti kenai ke jing shingan ki patba bat ulakan tu ke jing trailang na barok ki nong snong bat ki bor kaan.
See, as the city grows, crime graph also will go. But East Khasi Hills Police is making all efforts to control crime. Crime against property, that means theft, burglary. Has always increased. In fact, the crime graph has increased. But at the same time, we have also been able to nab many of these people who have committed theft of two-wheelers, burglaries, and with the CCTVs of Smart City, with the CCTVs of the localities, with the VDPs, with the community liaison groups which have been working with us, there have been a number of successes. But of course, I cannot gainsay that the fact that yes, crime has increased. Crime is increasing and will be increasing if the city is growing with more tourists, with more footfall of people or the density of people in the city. Crime will increase. But the district police is prepared and making all efforts to ensure that we control crime, we put in safeguards, we prevent crime, and that requires the concerted effort of the citizens, of the local stakeholders, and systematic efforts by the police.
Any specific new initiative have you undertaken?
See, one is we have actually made concentric checkings in the city. That means in the beginning we were just concentrating in the city, but from the city we have moved beyond to suburban, to urban, to rural areas where we are doing checkings to ensure that two-wheelers are not stolen. That is right now the main concern, two-wheelers being stolen, because two-wheelers, especially those who are parked on the road, two-wheelers which are not secured properly by in the form of chains or GPS systems and all that. So that is a major concern of the district police right now. And there are also special teams which are moving around, which are also conducting checks at strategic locations. So these are the elaborate efforts we are doing. Of course, you already know we have the night hunter also moves around. So these are the elaborate systems which are put in place to ensure that there is police presence 24/7, especially at night.